the first thing you are going to want to do is download .NET 6.0. And depending on which OS you use, Linux, Mac OS, or Windows, you're going to want to download the different ones. But since I use Windows, I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to download the Time64 version. And the direct link will be right here to download it. I'll get back with you once this is finished downloading. Okay, so my download finished, and what you're going to want to do is just put it on your desktop. Please ignore whatever this stuff is. And you're going to open it, and I've already installed it, but there should just be a download button. It shouldn't take too long. It might take a little bit longer depending on your computer, but the next thing you're going to need to download is Depot Downloader, the Depot Downloader itself, and this will also be a link in the description, and you just click right here, and it should just download in a few seconds, and you just want to open that folder, extract all, and then you want to go up here and type in PowerShell. Excuse my typing skills, and boom, this thing opens up. Next, what you'll do is go to the SteamDB, which is also in the description, and in the search bar right here, you search Geometry Dash. Click on it, and it shows a bunch of price history and other things about Geometry Dash. And this is the correct page you want to be on. Now let's go back to the this page that popped up. So the first thing you want to type in is period backslash or dot backslash, whatever you want to say, depot, and then press tab until you get depot downloader.exe, and then put a space, and then dash app space, and then look on this page right here, and the app ID should be the very top thing. You highlight that, copy it, and then put it right here after a space. So just one space and then the app ID. The next thing you want to type in is dash depot space. Make sure there's a space in between the app ID and the dash depot. And right here on this page, you can click on the left depots. And since I have Windows, I would use this one. And if you have Mac OS, you can you copy this one, and you put it right here. Next thing you want to type is space dot or dash manifest space, and then if you're in the depots page, you click on the depot number that you just put in, and on the side on the left again you click manifests. And so this right here, as you can probably tell, is version 2.2, and this is the latest version of 2.1. So you're going to want to copy this number right here, copy, and then paste it in right here. You have to type one more thing, or two more things in here. You put a space, then dash username, and then your Steam username. Mine is, sorry, it's this. And then you can hit enter, and then it asks for your password. The reason they have you put your password in is not to steal your account. It's actually to make sure that you own the game that you're trying to get the older files from, and in this case the 2.1 files from. And my account was not stolen after I did this. After you enter your password, SteamGuard asks you to enter the authentication code, and it should send to the email that you signed up with Steam with. So you just look there, and it should be like a 5-digit code. I now have the code from my Gmail, so I'm going to enter it in right here. Make sure there's not a space after it. And it's going to do a bunch of this, and it's just getting the files for 2.1. Finally, we can go back into the folder that we originally typed in PowerShell to. Click on depots, or sorry, depots. this number right here, and then this number. And here are the files for Geometry Dash 2.1. Now to replace the actual files, what we're going to want to do is right click on Geometry Dash, click Manage, and Browse Local Files. And it's right here. So I actually already have the 2.1 files in here, but what you would do is just, if you want to save your 2.2 files, you put them in a folder somewhere on your desktop, and then you replace it with these files right here. This is what Geometry Dash itself looks like. We have all the 2.1 icons, no more 2.2 stuff, and unfortunately a few features don't work, such as your account, daily chests, daily levels, and weekly levels do not work. And actually, something funny, you can go to the recent tab and look at the 2.2 levels, you just cannot open them. I'm gonna grind Zodiac now.